Bitcoin is a digital currency that was created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group of people under the name Satoshi Nakamoto. It is a decentralized currency, meaning that it is not controlled by any government or financial institution. Bitcoin transactions are verified by a network of computers called miners, and the entire system is maintained by a public ledger called the blockchain. Bitcoin is unique in several ways. First, it is a limited supply currency. There will only ever be 21 million bitcoins created, which makes it a scarce asset. Second, Bitcoin is a peer-to-peer currency, meaning that it can be sent directly from one person to another, without the need for a third party like a bank. Third, Bitcoin is a secure currency. Transactions are verified using cryptography, and the blockchain is a tamper-proof ledger. Bitcoin has been praised for its potential to revolutionize the way we think about money. It is seen by some as a way to free people from the control of central banks and governments. However, Bitcoin has also been criticized for its volatility and its potential to be used for illegal activities. Here are some of the benefits of using Bitcoin. It is a decentralized currency, which means that it is not controlled by any government or financial institution. This makes it a more secure and reliable currency than traditional fiat currencies. It is a peer-to-peer currency, which means that you can send and receive Bitcoin directly from one person to another, without the need for a third party. This makes it a more efficient and cheaper way to send money. It is a secure currency. Transactions are verified using cryptography, and the blockchain is a tamper-proof ledger. This makes it difficult to counterfeit or double-spend Bitcoin. Here are some of the risks of using Bitcoin. It is a volatile currency, meaning that its value can fluctuate wildly. This makes it a risky investment. It is a relatively new currency, and there is still a lot of uncertainty about its future. This makes it a risky investment. Bitcoin can be used for illegal activities, such as money laundering and drug trafficking. This could damage its reputation and make it difficult to adopt by mainstream businesses. If you found this video enlightening, consider sharing it with others seeking insight. Feel free to engage in the comments section below. Give me a subscribe, a thumbs up, and a friendly alarm bell ring.